Ah, nagpapaganda lang ako, guys. I was enjoying my life because nothing else. Life is so very short. We need to enjoy. That's it. Love you. My new eyelashes. Walang sponsor yan eh. Ayaw nila magbigay. Yan o. My new eyelashes. Ayan. Maganda pa, guys. Ayan. Maganda pa. Ayan. Pinipikit ko na. Ayan. Ayan. Yung eyelashes. Yan lang kinukunan ko yung eyelashes. My new eyelashes. Yun. Nagmamaganda lang tayo, guys. Bye-bye. Love you.